Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. Salam PKP. Alright, yesterday I got some messages asking how to make the Texas style honey butter biscuits. So I'm going to show you. So in this bowl I have 2.5 cups of plain flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and a bit of salt. Alright, I'm going to put the salt now. Just a bit. Dan kita akan kacau. We're going to stir it. Sorry. Just blend it in together. Okay. Then we are going to mix in the butter. Butter, you need 120 grams of cold butter. Okay, saya dah timbang dulu. And I've washed my hands, so I'm going to show it to you. Okay, you have to, doing it on one hand is a bit challenging. Okay, so you go, mix it until it resembles breadcrumbs. Okay. Okay, dah nampak macam breadcrumb kan? Kasar macam tu. Okay, bila dah macam ni, once it resembles breadcrumbs, you are going to immediately add 1 cup of milk that has been mixed with 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, the reason I put in vinegar is because we want to make buttermilk. If you have 1 cup of buttermilk, you use that. If you don't, 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons, this tablespoon of vinegar, and it's gonna make buttermilk. You see the milk is curdling a bit. Okay, you stir dulu. Okay, dan kita akan masukkan the milk. Masukkan je, you kena terus kacau. Mix it quickly once you've added the milk. Mix it. Don't overmix. Just make sure everything is well combined. Okay, I'm gonna come back. Okay, lepas dah campur dengan susu tu, after you've mixed in the milk, you will get something like this. Once it's mixed, all mixed in, stop. Don't mix anymore. Now comes the best part. We're going to scoop it in. But first, we need to oil the tray. What I do is, if you have any, butter punya cover, butter wrapper, there's going to be some bits of butter inside. So you just use it to, do this, and you have an oiled surface. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. My ice cream scoop dah rosak, is spoiled already, so I can't press it. Just going to drop it in. So you're just going to scoop it up. Yeah, like that. And you just drop it in. That's it. And you akan repeat the step until you get a full tray. I'll be right back. Okay, so adunan ni usually akan dapat dalam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces honey butter biscuit. Kita akan masukkan ke dalam oven yang dah dipanaskan pada suhu 230 darjah Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, kita punya honey butter biscuit dah nak masak. Our honey butter biscuits is about to be cooked. I use the bottom heat only because I have an extra method I'd like to show you. But now we're going to make the honey butter glaze. Okay, I did mine earlier and then I'm just heating it up. I'll switch it off. I use 3 tablespoons of butter, tablespoons of honey, and I melted it. So it's going to look like this. So I'm going to take the biscuits out of the oven. Okay. Bakar biscuit ni you boleh guna api atas dan bawah, atau bawah dulu dan kemudian atas. Saya suka guna api bawah. I like using the bottom heat, so I make sure everything is cooked. It rises, puffed up, and it was stuck together. But you take it apart, ceraikan kalau dia bercantum. Nampakkan saiz dia besar. Jadinya oven tu saya dah set kepada api atas sahaja. Dan sekarang kita akan sapukan adonan ni di atas honey butter biscuit dan kita akan sambung bakar. You can put a bit or a lot, however you want it. I'm going to finish doing all of it. Semua dah covered. Everything has been glazed, and we're going to pop it in the oven. Top heat only, and we are going to watch as they brown, and then we're going to take it out. As you can see, the top is becoming golden brown. Bit more, you can check it. You might not be able to see it through the glass door. Yep, it looks good. I'm gonna take it out. And we are going to glaze it again. Adonan honey butter. Kacau, make sure everything's mixed. You are going to sapu. Kali ni lepas dah sapu semua, you takkan letak dalam oven balik. Just biar dia sejuk ikut room temperature. After you've glazed the muffins or the biscuits with the honey butter glaze, you're just going to leave it to cool down before you can consume and before you can store it. And without extra lighting, without the flash, this is the color of your butter biscuits. And this is it. That is it. This is how I make my Texas style honey butter biscuits. Enjoy!